Owning multiple pipe wrenches is often necessary for both professionals and DIY plumbers, as different plumbing tasks require different wrench sizes and types. For instance, a standard pipe wrench might suffice for everyday jobs with common pipe sizes, but larger pipes or tougher jobs may require a heavy-duty model for added leverage. Similarly, specialized wrenches, like an offset or chain wrench, are needed for specific tasks such as working in tight spaces or dealing with delicate pipes that may be damaged by traditional serrated wrenches. Additionally, pipe wrenches come in various sizes, typically ranging from 8 inches to 48 inches. Smaller sizes are ideal for tight spaces and smaller pipes, while larger wrenches offer more torque for loosening rusted or tightly sealed connections on larger pipes. For plumbers working with different pipe materials, having multiple wrenches ensures they can handle various situations. For instance, a chain wrench might be used for working on PVC or copper pipes to avoid damaging the material, while a traditional pipe wrench is better suited for iron or steel pipes. In conclusion, having multiple pipe wrenches enables you to tackle a broader range of plumbing tasks more efficiently and safely, ensuring you're always prepared for the job at hand.